I will say, why you want to control it? Don't control anything. Pressure will bring the best out of you. Pressure should bring the best out of you. See, I'll tell you very frankly, you knew that you are appearing for HSC board exam from last 300 days or so, correct? Now you have to appear for the paper. We are just a week away from the day of commencement of exam. So enjoy it, yeah, it's okay. What is the pressure? Nothing. एक फिलोसॉफी है, मुझे प्रेशर आता है तो मेरा माइंड नहीं चलता है, आई कांट स्लीप, आई कांट स्टडी, यू नो, and then you will gather some negative friends of yours and they will talk all these bullshit things. That's not going to help you. It's the time to perform. And there's only one thing that in life speaks over everything, that is performance. For this day, you must be waiting like a soldier. This is your day. This is the time for going and performing. Don't get into all these talks. Don't bother about all these things. You don't have time for all these things. What I want is to have complete focus on you to deal with your task. And your task is go and enjoy the process. You've studied, you've worked hard. Go and see whether that is going to give you appropriate results or not. That's all. There's nothing like anxiety, pressure and all that. These are all created things. Right? Don't bother.